Greetings everyone and welcome back to Get Stronger Daily. In this video, I'm sharing a small compilation of all of my week's workout, major lifts and accessory movements. So in this week, I've started with 75% of my 1RMs, recent 1RMs, which I have already shared in the previous video. If you've not watched it, make sure to watch it. Here I'm squatting around 125 kgs, which is about 75% of my 1RM. So I did 5 sets of 5 repetitions in each set. So in total of 25 repetitions of 125 kgs, which I guess was a pretty, you can say, decent load for the first week. And this is the this is the last set of my 125 kg squats, 5 repetition in this set also. I can see some minor or major flaws in my lift which I'm going to be addressing in the future weeks. So nothing more than that. In the previous squat session, this is the bench session, the day for the bench press. Here you can see that I'm doing some explosive push-ups, which is extremely helpful for priming my body for the pushing movement that I need in this bench session. I'm doing the same thing with the empty bar, just to prime up my central nervous system. Here you can see that this is just basically the warm-up. This is the second warm-up set. Now this is the first and last bench sets of 85 kgs each. I'm going to let you be the judge of which is the first and which is the last working set, ऊपर वाला या नीचे वाला. So this is the inclined bench, because I know that my incline presses are a little bit weaker than my decline presses. So I'm going to be working a lot on the incline movements in this training session. Let's move forward. Here is another tricep accessory movement, which I think is very beneficial for my lockout strength. Next is a front raise movement, which I'm learning just to work on my rotator cuff. This is another tricep movement. Basically, I'm working on my long head only for the lockout strength. This is the third training session of the week, in which right now I'm performing some warm-up sets for deadlifts. This is 140 kgs. This is the first working set of the day, which I guess without belt felt pretty good. I'm using the hook grip right now. Usually I use a mixed grip. Lower back extension exercise for the lower back strength, obviously. Some barbell rowing. And then after that, strict bicep curls with dumbbell. And then I cherry topped my deadlift session with this close stance squats. Thanks for tuning in. If you got this far, it means you like the video and want to see more. So don't forget to subscribe to this channel, and we'll meet next week.